Hey guys, thanks for coming back. My name is Reno. This is Armor Coating Minton Designs, and today we're going to walk through the process and powder coat a dirt track car frame. This is a mid-size one, so I think it's like an S chassis class or whatever. But we're going to go through the sandblasting, and then we'll do a little prep to it, hang it up on the rack, and powder coat it an awesome, super durable wet black from Columbia Coatings. Also, stay tuned to the end of the video where we'll be announcing the winner of this awesome flag from our last YouTube video. Keep on watching, and at the end we'll let you know what happens. So we finished up the powder coating, or the whole powder coating on the chassis, and here it is right now. Just complete overall gloss black, super durable wet black from Columbia Coatings. I also want to give a shout out to those guys. They helped me out tremendously here in my shop. But this thing is completely done, inside, outside, up under it. And this is going to be one happy customer. This is for Robert Barber, really great friend and customer. So we appreciate it. Thank y'all very much. Also, be sure to like and subscribe our videos. We got more stuff coming. Just for instance, we're going to be doing a video on how to powder coat this engine block. Heads, valve cover, oil pan, intake, the whole thing. It's going to be awesome setup, and some of this is proprietary. You won't see all of it, but inside and out, but you'll see the finished product. So stay tuned. We're going to have a lot more awesome stuff for 2021. Thank y'all and have a great day. All right, it's time. We're gonna announce the winner for this awesome flag. So what I did was take all the comments, the people who commented on our last YouTube video. We appreciate it. Thank y'all very much for sharing. Tell your friends also to subscribe. And we got all the names and stuff in the cup. I don't remember exactly how many it is, but it was a pretty good bit. But here we go. paper slip. My hand is too big for the cup. All right, and the winner is Brent Ferguson. Congratulations, man. We appreciate it, and we'll get it out to you as soon as possible. Thanks, guys. Y'all have a great one.